Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M21 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just going to use, for instance, this, let's say, the app page. So once it's open, there's two ways you can capture it. Number one is by pressing the power key and volume down and holding it for a second, or actually just pressing it. There we go. So press it and it captures a screenshot. So that's the first way. And the second way is by taking your hand and sliding it across the screen, just your palm. So let me see if I can get that. Okay, there we go. So using the flash. And that is basically the two ways you can capture it. And both of those images can now be found in your gallery app. So as you can see right here, and also in the album called Screenshots. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.